Ghostbusters Afterlife. Here I go. A library ghost. Yo, the new Afterlife trailer looks great. When is it coming out? It's been like a while though. That reminds me, I gotta finish my pack. Okay guys, I'm gonna start by using the booster tube. This is the 3D printed one, and I'm gonna use JB Weld to secure it shut to the fiberglass shell. So next, I'm gonna be faking some welding lines. This is pretty easy to do. You just gotta make a tube out of epoxy. Then you just put it around the tube and you start molding it. In my case, I'm using a little stick. So as you can see, once it dries, it looks a lot better. And this is the most complicated way of finding a center in the circle. This is the light that we showed you in the previous video. We got it from Jupiter Electronics here in Canada, and this is the knob that changes the speed of the lights. So here I made the mistake of making the hole too big for my screw. So I'm gonna be using J-weld to cover the hole. And then I found the correct thread for the screw. I bought this ribbon cable from the user on Etsy called Wire Fauna. This cable is really good and I really like it because it looks like the Ghostbuster one and it's really hard to find.
¿Qué estoy haciendo?
So I bought these metallic labels from a seller on Etsy, and you just gotta be careful to not apply it on any texture surface because it's gonna start to peel off.
Ghostbusters Afterlife. Here I go. A library ghost. go! Oh god, I hope the firemen don't come.
So as you can see, this build was a mixture of the Protonpack from the first movie and from the Afterlife movie coming out. So I hope you guys like the build. If you want to check out any other videos, click on these two boxes, or go ahead and subscribe.